Sometime back, I put a post into this thread, the aha moments that you've had with your instrument over time, and that was about three keys that you can be in three keys, or at certain times, you could be playing in more than one key. Or I think I stated that a minor seventh chord could appear in three keys. I think that's how I had it in the post, and there was some questions about that, and I probably should have put a practical demonstration. That's what I'm trying to do here. But I think if we go back and if you harmonize C major 7 scale up the neck, and you do the same for the G major 7 scale and F major 7 scale, you'll find that the A minor 7 appears in all three keys. It is the sixth tone harmonized in C major. It's the number 2 in G, and at number 3 in F. So without a key signature at all, if you came upon A minor 7 without a key signature, you would not know what key you were in. You could be in C, you could be in G, you could be in F. This chord appears in both. Okay, so to try and demonstrate that, I'd like to take a look at the bridge to Blue Moon. Try to get the melodic line on this on the looper here, and then try to support the melodic line with with more than one key. But first, we'll take a look at the melodic, the bridge, which is in Blue Moon. Okay, so now assuming that you're 2-5-1 in the first half of the bridge. You see that certain of the notes of the chord are supporting the melodic line. The root here in a D minor 9, and then the 13 here in the G 13, and then the root of the and then on the chart it modulates up to E flat, and there's a 2-5-1 in E flat. Now E flat major 7 is also E flat 6, which appears to us to be C minor 7. So the first thing, when I was first fooling with this, I wanted to see if perhaps this chord could support the whole second half of the bridge. So I play, well, let's see if I can get this thing on the now, let me try that one more time. The first half of the bridge to the major 7. Now it appeared to me, sound-wise, that C minor 7 covered that second half of the bridge pretty well. Might have been off by one note or so. which says to me that C minor 7 will cover that second half. And this is, as we said, this chord, minor 7 chord, will appear in 3 keys. That means not only the original key on the chart, E flat, will cover that melodic line, but now 2 other keys will cover that melodic line. It is, after all, the second tone in B flat, and it is the 3 tone in A flat. So wanted to look at whether or not these other 2 keys can support that melodic line. I'm going to take a look at B flat. So we're going to do a 2-5-1 in the original key, C major 7, for the first half of the bridge. And then in the second half of the bridge, instead of modulating to E flat and doing a 2-5-1 in E flat, I'll play a 2-5-1 in B flat and see if it complements the melodic line. Now, I think it did. I think I got away with playing in B flat. 2-5-1 in B flat. I'll try one more time. Okay. The other key, A flat. So now the first half of the bridge will stick to the original key, but again, instead of going to the chart 2-5-1 in E flat, I'll do a 2-5-1 in A flat. I'm going to try that one more time. Not as pretty as B flat, I think, but I got away with it. Let me try some other chords. I would do a sound check here to see if this will work here. Okay, I think I got away with it. Maybe the 6th chord. Okay, B flat. I would go with B flat, but at least that's 2 keys and one's not on the chart. And visually, the original key on the chart is a 2-5-1 in E flat. If you play the 3rd, which would be E flat major 9, and simply invert the play orchestrally, you have your key there, B flat. So E flat major 7 played as a 3, a minor 7. There you have your key. Also E flat, a major E flat 6 is C minor 7, which is the 3 of A flat. So there you have your other key there. Okay, so you could be in more than one key in the second half of that bridge, Blue Moon. Alright, this is a supplemental video about being in more than one key to cover a melodic line. We're using Blue Moon, the bridge to Blue Moon, which is 2-5-1 in the written key C, and then in the second half it modulates to E flat major 7, 2-5-1 in E flat in the second half of the bridge. We want to take a look at the first chord, F minor 7, in this 2-5-1 in E flat, and now see that as the 3 of C sharp major. F minor 7 is actually C sharp major 9. It's the 3 in this key, C sharp. So in the first part of the bridge, instead of finishing up on C major 7, if we go to C major 9, we can then move up 1/2 step, which covers F minor 7. So we would have this. Here I'm just using a diminished to cover the B flat. And then this so by viewing F minor 7 as C sharp major 9 and finishing the first half of the bridge at C major 9, we can simply slide up and use this tonality or this voicing to cover. And really, if you look, it's F minor 7. If you bring the soprano voice over, you get A flat 6. And then if you just bring this voicing up, you now have C sharp major 9. Well, let's see if we can. Try it again. Okay, so really when you look at it, when's the last time you figured this voicing for F minor 7? It is F minor 7, A flat 6, and now C sharp major 9.